Hello YouTube, welcome to another video tutorial. In this one, I'll be teaching you how to make an AI fake video call in 2026 professionally. And also this AI fake video call comes with a real-time voice changer. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned, okay? All right, without further ado, let's dive in. So the platform we're going to be using is Magicam.ai. It's a website and it has applications available for Windows, okay? And as you can see, this is the website Magicam.ai. Now you can see it says real-time face and voice change, ignite your YouTube live, Facebook live, Twitch, Zoom, Google Meet. So basically, Magicam is compatible to all of these platforms and even Teams, okay? So it's a real-time face and voice changer, okay? So with this, you can basically make a fake video call in real time and also clone your voice to match whichever person it is you're using, okay? So I'm just going to dive into more details about the platform so you understand better, okay? Now, Magicam has a real-time face swapping, okay? With Magicam, you can also do face swapping. It's not just for live recording for like video conferences. You can actually do live face swapping, which you can use for content, basically maybe conferences, or to be basically just ignite or spice up your content, so basically, and you can do real-time face swapping and you can see the results of how the face swapping works on Magicam. So you can see that slide. While I just move the slide, you can see how it changes seamlessly and it retains the quality. Now it has a powerful face and voice changer, okay, beyond imagination. So I muted this audio for copyright purposes, not to violate any YouTube policy, so the audio is muted. But just so you know, it also has a powerful face and voice changer, okay, beyond imagination, face and voice swap at the same time, okay. Take note, so not every application you see out there will give you face swap and voice swap at the face swap and voice swap at the same time. So it also has a simple yet powerful face swapping tool. So now this is actually what the Magicam app looks like. You can see it now on the right side. You can see a whole bunch of settings. This settings enables you to basically tweak your calibration during the face swapping or during the live recording or video call or conference. You can see the real-time face swapping. You can see it is seamless and it retains the quality. On the right side, you can see a bunch of settings. More importantly, the face masking feature. This will allow you be able to move your hands in front of your face while on the video call and even stick out your tongue, okay, and it won't lose quality or consistency. Now, high quality face swap, okay. Now you can see the face swap. This is this is a Black Widow, Angelina Jolie, and a couple other celebrities, and you can see how the face swapping is seamless and retains the same quality, okay. So this is the future Magicam offers. Magicam is not just a regular tool, it's actually an AI tool, an artificial intelligence tool hosted on a server with a desktop application. Now, ready to enhance any video or streaming for work, for home, or for fun. As you can see, you can use it for conferences, live streaming, and also video recording. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you click that like button and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed, okay. So let's continue. Now, as I was saying, you can actually do video recording, video conferencing, and also live streaming with the application. As a matter of fact, I already showed you earlier, it's compatible with Google Meet, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Twitch, Zoom, and even Teams, okay. So you can see the slider and you can see the real-time application of how the face swapping basically works, okay. So that is the original that is the original image, and then that is the swapped image. So now in the case of video recording, you can see this person is basically making a video, possibly for YouTube or for TikTok or for whichever platform. And then if you need to basically like do some swapping on your face, you want to swap to, basically to enhance the quality of the video or to enhance the quality of your content, you can use Magicam to do that. And then in the case of conferences, which is also video calling. And you can see this is a live conference with about 4 people present, and you can see the real-time transitioning here using Magicam. It is compatible, and this is actually possibly Teams or Zoom, and you can see it's compatible. And when you use Magicam to do your face swapping, you can see how seamless it is, and it maintains the quality. And you can see you can move your hands, you get to open your mouth, you can smile, you can wave your hands, so it doesn't even allow, it doesn't restrict movements. Okay, even while you're moving, it maintains quality and maintains consistency. Okay, so I'll just continue. So as I mentioned earlier, it's compatible with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. So basically this app was designed to meet the needs. Okay, so unlock more features with Magicam Pro. So basically this Magicam application has a free version and it has a paid version. So I recommend you download the free version and see what it's like. Okay, although on the free version there's a watermark. Okay, basically there's a watermark, and you can actually, although it had all of the features, it had the voice changer, it had the face swapping, but the pro feature is much better. It gives you 4K HD video swapping and unlimited voice cloning, that you have unlimited access to a whole lot of voice, a whole library of different voices that you can clone, advanced tuning mode, and no watermark. So you can go for the pro, and if you're impressed with the pro, you can actually upgrade to the Pro Plus, which is the $499 a year. Okay, so frequently asked questions: what sets Magicam apart from other face swapping products? So premium features at an affordable price, real-time face swapping, higher resolutions, unlimited credits, and unrestricted facial upload. Okay, easy to use as well. Are there any privacy concerns? No. We believe in privacy. All data is processed locally without uploading to the cloud. Okay, what are the computer requirements for using Magicam? Very important. Now listen, your computer needs a dedicated graphics card, preferably RTX 2070 or higher, for better performance. Magicam utilizes advanced AI neural networks for face swap, requiring robust hardware support. Okay, so you need a really good graphics card, a dedicated graphics card, so you have good performance, because this application runs on advanced AI neural networks. Okay, for face swapping. Okay, so take note of that. Or I'll just scroll down to the bottom of the website and see the products, the AI tools, and the resources, just in case you can actually go on the website and you can actually check out all of this information yourself. You see, they have an X platform, they're on DistroKid, I think that's Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, you can go check their YouTube. They have videos of different examples and simulations and results of the application. So basically I'm going to go to the AI tools and show you the AI tools and what they actually look like. So real-time face swap, video face swap, live portrait. Okay, so for the real-time face swap, you can see I already explained this before. Magicam offers real-time face swapping, which you can use for your video calling, as a matter of fact, and at the same time you can also voice clone. Okay, simultaneously, which will give you the maximum results. It will give you an efficient result. It will be very convincing. Okay, so there's free HD mode. You see, the video is going to be very high quality. You can use it for virtual meetings and video calls, live streaming, social media content. Okay, so with this face swapping feature, you can use it for either, video call content and also streaming. You can see live streamers and influencers. You can use the face swapping feature. Remote workers and online educators, you can use the face swapping feature. Content creators and social media enthusiasts, you can use the face swapping feature. Gamers, you can use the face swapping feature. Okay, so if you don't want people to know what you actually look like, so you can actually go look at the reviews, and all of these reviews, I guarantee you, are honest reviews. You can see some of them are actually a little critic, and some of them are positive, some of them are neutral, but you can actually go check the reviews yourself on the website. But this is a very powerful AI video call tool. Okay, so I'll just proceed to the next tool, the real-time voice change. Okay, this is very important. Now, a lot of people, when you make video calls, you have the issue with your voice, and that is really going to be a downer. Okay, so you need to have the ability to actually voice clone in real time while you're actually on the video call. So you can see with Magicam, it actually integrates this feature into the application. You can sound like anyone, basically instant voice transformation, change your voice in real time, customizable voice profiles, choose from a range of preset voice modes, or create your own personalized voice. Now, in case they do not have the voice you want to use, you just need to upload the sample of the voice you want to use. Basically, seamless integration effortlessly combines with our real-time face swap tools. Now, enhance privacy and creativity. Okay, so basically you are guaranteed privacy. All of what you're doing on Magicam will not be put out to the public. So basically, it's used for live streaming. To summarize, you can use it for gaming. You can use this for um engage your audience by dynamically altering your voice on platforms like Twitch, YouTube Live, Instagram Live. Enhance even further when used alongside the face swap. Gaming, elevate your multiplayer experience with real-time voice modulation. You can actually sound like your character. Podcast and voiceovers, create compelling audio content with diverse voice options, enhancing the storytelling when integrated with visual elements. Now, virtual meetings, maintain anonymity or introduce a creative element to your online conferences by using both voice change and face swap. And like I mentioned earlier, I already showed you earlier, these are the ideal users, content creators, live streamers, remote workers, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that basically summarizes the video and the Magicam app itself. As you can see, you can try it for free. You don't necessarily have to pay. You can download the free version and actually just see if you like it, and I guarantee you love it. Then you can upgrade to the pro so that there will no longer be watermark. Okay, so guys, I've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss my next video, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, you can actually message me, and you can also go to Magicam YouTube. You can actually see tutorials on their YouTube, and you can see examples of the results of the application, so you know it's not cap, it's absolutely legit, and it's really efficient when you want to do your video calling. All right, that concludes this video. Make sure you go check out the other videos on my channel, and if you have not joined the channel membership, make sure you do that now so you have access to membership only videos, and you get membership perks and shout outs and other exclusive advantages. So bye for now.